Hi, I'm X, and today I'm going to give you my tip on clearing up the nails and bits of metal after you've had a fire in your driveway. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So I had a fire in my driveway last night, burning up some old useless offcuts and a crate I made. I shipped some parts from the UK to Italy, a load of lathe parts which I had. Anyway, I had these old pieces of, just the old crate, the offcuts of the crate. So I had them burnt up in my driveway last night. Could have burnt them old place, but there's nowhere else in this yard I can burn them because I'm short of space and I'm trying to have a clear up. So anyway, but what we got here is there's like a lot of nails. This is the old cinders from it. So we've got all these cinders here. That's full of nails, and I've got permit parking. Where I live in the UK, I've got a permit parking scheme. So and this truck here is over 6 metres, so it's not really allowed to be parked out there. You can't have a permit for anything over 6 metres in the UK. And this truck here comes to about 6.2 metres. I could lie and say it's less than 6 metres, and if they didn't measure it I could probably get a permit, but I don't feel like doing that, and I begrudge the permit money. So anyway, I've now had to bring it in the garden because you cannot park out there. But the trouble is, when I now back in, you can see I'm going to drive over all this, so I'm just going to nudge the truck forward and show you what I'm going to do. So what I've got myself here is it's an old CB magnet, big old CB magnet. Really could do with making a handle for it really, but if you go on eBay you can buy what they call fishing magnets, big old very powerful magnets. This isn't that powerful, but it's going to do the job. I regularly get a lot of punctures through driving in scrap yards and places like that, but you don't really want this in your own drive. So what I do, I get a bit of rag around this and I just damp it on here, and as you can see she's full. Now if we get a bucket, because we don't want to be walking to the bin every time, just get a bit of rag and pull it off. She go in there. Very, very simple. Very, very simple thing. Just dab it on. You just don't need punctures. And there's your thing again, look. And when we get to pull it off, down we go. I mean, what I used for the crate was an old shed base. An old shed base and other bits and pieces. Anything I had lying about. I mean, I offered free shipping on it. So as I say, I went to Italy, so I weren't going to spend a lot of money on materials. I don't look much for a fire here, but to be honest, it was quite big. I kept rounding it round so I could burn up everything. Just surprised how many nails are in this. You can use instead of a piece of rag on there, you can use a piece of polythene or a carrier bag or a bin bag. I just find it's just easier with a piece of rag. It's quite a powerful magnet, as I say. You can buy better ones. Obviously it don't stop anything which is non-ferrous, but there usually isn't brass or aluminium or anything like that, or non-magnetic stainless in pallets. And that's just crumbs really now. So there you have it. If you haven't thought about doing that, or if you have, you already know the crack. But there we go. There's nothing. I don't think we'll find much more in that now. And I can now back the truck in safely without getting myself another puncture. Nothing really. One more nail there. That's it. Sorted. As I say, make a handle for it. You think you'll be able to do that? And there's the result. Right through nails. Can you see that? Yeah. Right through on. Job done.